Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Creating a datetime object in Python from a specific year, month, and day can be done using the datetime module. Below is an informative tutorial with a code example. Python's datetime module provides functionalities to work with dates and times. If you need to create a datetime object from a specific year, month, and day, you can use the datetime class from the module. Let's go through a step-by-step example of how to create a datetime object from a given year, month, and day. In this example, we first import the datetime class from the datetime module. Then, we specify the year, month, and day as integers. Finally, we create a datetime object using the datetime constructor with the specified year, month, and day. Importing the datetime module. This line imports the datetime class from the datetime module, specifying year, month, and day. Here, we define the values for the year, month, and day that we want to use. Creating a datetime object. This line creates a datetime object named date_object using the datetime constructor with the specified year, month, and day. Printing the result. Finally, we print the created datetime object to the console. The output of the example code would be